Hello and welcome dear students. I am Shravan Kumar, your maths lecturer. In the last lecture we have seen the first method to construct index number, that is simple aggregate method. Now the second method is what? Weighted aggregate method. So weighted aggregate method is nothing but to calculate value index number, that is price into quantity. Weighted means what? Weighted weight means what here? Quantity. Suppose the price index number was, what was the formula for price index number using simple aggregate method? The formula was summation of P1 upon summation of P0 into 100. So if we multiply here, the value is what? P1 Q0 upon P0 Q0. Here base year quantity is taken as weights. So P1 Q0 upon P0 Q0. P1 upon P0 is fixed in the formula. Like P1 upon P0 for using simple aggregate method, the formula was P1 upon P0. This formula is fixed to calculate price index number using simple aggregate method. So if you write here Q0 Q0 into 100, then it becomes what? Less payers price index number. So the first index number using weighted aggregate method is what? Less payers price index number, which is denoted by P01L, which is given by summation of P1 Q0 upon P0 Q0. So into 100. So how to remember this? The formula for calculating index number is what? P1 upon P0. So here write down base year quantity, that is Q0 Q0 into 100. So it is the formula for calculating less payers price index number. Second one is what? Passive price index number. In passive price index number we have taken current year quantities as current year quantity. The formula is what? P1 upon P0. So the current year quantities are Q1 into 100. So it becomes the formula for calculating passive price index number. So summation of P1 Q1 upon P0 Q1 into 100 is the formula for calculating passive price index number. Third formula is what? Rorbis-Boyle price index number. So which is given by the formula P01 dP, which is nothing but average of less payers and passive price index number. So find less payers price index number and passive price index number and take the average of these two price index number. So the formula for less payers price index number is what? Summation of P1 Q1 upon P0 Q0 plus passive price index number is what? P1 Q1 upon P0 Q0, and into 100 here we have taken common. Divide by 2. So Rorbis-Boyle price index number is nothing but what? Average of less payers and passive price index number. So how to remember less payer price index number? In original formula P1 upon Q0, write here base year quantities Q0 Q0, and in passive price index number write down current year quantities, that is Q1 Q1. So if you calculate the average of these two, then it becomes what? Rorbis-Boyle price index number. And if you take the geometric means what? Product square root of B square equal to AC. B square equal to AC, so B equal to under root of AC. So B is geometric mean of A and C. So here Fisher price index number is what? Fisher price index number is what? Geometric mean of, means square root of P01 into P0P. Find less payers price index number and passive price index number. Multiply these two price index number and take the square root. So it becomes what? Fisher price index number, and write down their formula. So we will get the formula in terms of formula P0 Q0 upon summation of P0 Q0 into P1 Q1 upon P0 Q1 into 100 here we have taken common. Next price index number is what? Marshall and Edgeworth price index number. In Marshall and Edgeworth price index number, in less payers price index number, here we have taken base year quantities. In passive price index number, current year quantity, and in Rorbis-Boyle we have taken average of these two quantity. In Fisher price index number we have taken the geometric mean of these two quantity, and in fifth Marshall and Edgeworth, altogether the sum of base year and current year quantity, means Q0 plus Q1. In original formula, the original formula is what? P1 upon P0 is fixed in every formula for calculating price index number, and here if you write Q0 plus Q1 upon Q0 plus Q1 into 100, then it becomes Marshall Edgeworth price index number, and if you multiply by summation P1, then you will get the new form of the formula. The last one is what? Walsh price index number. In Walsh price index number, here the price of current year and base year are multiplied by what? Under root of Q0 into Q1. Under root of Q0 into Q1. So basically in weighted aggregate method there are 6 types of index number. First one is less payers price index number, second passive price index number, third Dorpes-Wallis price index number, fourth Fisher price index number, and fifth Marshall-Edwards price index number, and the last one is what Wallace price index number. In Nespers price index number, base year quantities are multiplied. In passive price index number, current year quantities are multiplied. If you take the average of these two quantities, then it becomes Dorpes-Wallis price index number. If you take the mean, geometric mean of list pairs and passive price index number, then it becomes what Fisher price index number. In Marshall-Edwards, you have to take the sum of base year and current year quantity. And in Wallace price index number, you have to take the geometric mean of base year and current year quantity. So these are the 6 formulas. Using these 6 formulas, you can calculate all the 6 index number using weighted aggregate method. Here the meaning. Hello and welcome dear students. I am Shravan Kumawat, your maths lecturer. In the last lecture, we have started the introduction part of index number. In that lecture, we have seen the types of index number and methods to construct index number. So there were 3 types of index number. First one is price index number, that is P01, which is given by the formula summation of P1 upon P0. Start from right hand side, P1 upon P0 into 100. Quantity index number is given by Q01, which is given by Q1 upon Q0, and value index number. So how to calculate value of a commodity? Suppose the price of a pen is ₹5. So what is the price of 10 commodities? So price into quantity, that will give us the total price. So value of that total pens. So V01 indicates what? Value index number, which is given by the formula price into quantity or commodity of that particular price. So upon P0, Q0 into 100. So there are 3 index number: P price index number, quantity index number, and value index number. And these are the formulae using to calculate this index number using simple aggregate method. So let us take an example. Here the question is what? Construct or calculate price index number taking 2000 to year 2000 as base year, and we have to compare with the year what 2010. So 2010 is known as the current year, and 2000 year is known as what base year. So here we are given 5 commodities A, B, C, D, and E. The price in base year are respectively 30, 35, 45, 55, and 25, and that is in current year is what 40, 50, 70, 75, and 40. So find the total of these two quantities. The total of base year price is what 190, and that of current year price is what 275. So using the formula P01, P1 upon P0 into 100, so 275 upon 190 into 100. This calculation you can do using log table also. So the P01, the value of P01 is what 144.74. So what is the meaning of 144.74? Suppose the price of a commodity in the year 2000 is what 100. Then in the year 2010 it has increased by what rupees 44.74. So it becomes, or approximately it is 45% of total price. So with this we have completed the price index number. Similarly you can calculate quantity index number. Instead of P0 here we will get Q0, Q1, find the total of that, and in value index number you have to multiply P1, Q1 and then take the total of P1, Q1, P0, Q0 and then take the total of P0, Q0 and use the formula. So you can calculate price index number, quantity index number and value index number using simple aggregate method. Thank you.